them another big round of applause for that beautiful performance. Thank you very much. Even I find myself to be captivated during their performance. Now, Your Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, it is my great pleasure to introduce our distinguished guest first. Please join me in welcoming them with a big round of applause as I call upon their names. First of all, ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the Ambassador, Excellency Ms. Yoon Sung-mi, Chair of the APEC Senior Officials Meeting. Welcome. Today we have Mr. Eduardo Pedrosa, Executive Director of the APEC Secretariat. Welcome. Tonight we're joined by Ambassador, His Excellency Renato Reyes, the APEC Senior Officials of Peru. Now I'd like to introduce to you Mr. Jiang Li, the APEC Senior Official of the People's Republic of China. Please welcome the Ambassador